this is my second video of first person player control. This video I show you how to player jump and how to use camera movement as a first person player. So now I am calculate how to player jump. So I am added jump speed float jump. So next add player dot add force to new velocity 2. Then x-axis is player ab dot velocity dot x and y is jump speed into input jump input. Next click on player and focus on FPP script and jump speed is 0, so I'm added jump speed 10. Now check. So increase jump speed 10 to 50, but it can be jump on air. Okay, jump is working, but I try to when is my player on the ground, this time player only can jump, not air. Add variables private boolean grounded, by default false. So and create another function void on collision exit if collision dot collider dot tag name is equal to something equal to let's grounded equal to false. That next function is void on collision enter. Collision collider dot tag ground, then grounded equal to true. Now check what will be written in ground variable. So now I am printed this variable in console. So debug dot log grounded. For run, click on ground and tag name is untagged. So I am created tag that is grounded and save it. So click on ground and check it grounded. Player touch this ground, so ground is true. If detach this ground, then false. Also player jump into air. If grounded, then player jump. Player move some distance automatically after remove at force. So now stop this behavior. So now I'm check if player is grounded and horizontal move equal to 0 and vertical to move also equal to 0, then I am at a player movement opposite direction force. So player dot at force equal to player dot velocity into negative force speed divided 2. If remove force, player will be stopped. If player dot velocity dot square magnitude less than 0.1, then player dot sleep. Next I am adding a mouse control. So I am at a default mouse speed, public float, mouse speed 0f. So now get a mouse position. So float mouse input horizontal equal to input dot get axis mouse x, and get vertical mouse position same float mouse input vertical input date get access mouse y. Now I am set up player left and right move using mouse position. So transform dot rotate velocity vector 3 dot up or down. So then mouse input horizontal into mouse speed. Okay, now check it's working or not. Now click on player and tap on right side on the screen. Player app player movement script and mouse speed is 0. So now add a mouse speed 10. Now player move 360 degree horizontally. Now I am at a mouse input vertically script. Now get camera transform public transform camera transform. Now private float pitch equal to 0, private float minimum pitch equal to -30, and private float max pitch equal to 60. Minimum and maximum pitch means camera how to max moved vertically. So next vector 3 variable camera rotate equal to camera transform dot Euler angle and pitch minus equal to mouse input vertical into mouse speed, and if pitch less than max pitch plus 1 and pitch greater than mean pitch minus 1, then pitch equal to pitch else if pitch greater than max pitch, then pitch equal to max pitch, else if pitch less than mean pitch, then pitch equal to mean pitch, else pitch equal to 0. Now set a fixed angle for camera movement. So camera rotate dot x equal to math dot clamp pitch mean pitch and max pitch. So camera transform dot Euler angle equal to camera rotate. So now check it. Now click on player. Camera transform is empty, so main camera drag to camera transform. Wow, first person camera control is ready. So it is the process to use as a basic first person player control. So guys, if you enjoy this video, then please like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Join.